Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My mom got me this Hot Wheel race car track. It shows me it also can open this part, and it says Hot Wheel, and then it can move. Look at that. We have the barcode. Says everything to me. Barcode. Say louder. Barcode. Say louder. Barcode. Okay, good job. Now let's open it. So you see these? I'm opening it like this, squeezing it, and you can easily rip it off. If you just want to rip it, it's alright. It's just your box. So I ripped that piece. First peek, okay? This one. See this orange thing? See that? I'll move this. And this one. See that? It's the part of the box. So if I remove the brown thing, you'll see the Hot Wheel coming out. Ready, guys? Look at that! Look, this is the box. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, we got the racetrack, and then let's put it down. And then you can see. Okay. See it? Ready? See that? Oh! And then my dad's gonna move it up. And then, guys, ready? The engine. And then if this guy's holding the engine like this, like going fast. Ready, guys? Come. It hit the camera. Okay? So, also my dad had the knife.
Now say bye-bye.
You know the knife? It hit his leg. Over just here, and also see you to the next channel and hit the subscribe button and thumbs up to if you like it or not like it. See you to the next channel. Bye.